Sorry?
Immediately, are we getting recording?
Screen now.
Yes.
All can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll be discussing with you the chemistry in everyday life. So everyone knows food, shelter, clothes, all everything we just depend on the chemistry, all the chemicals we are dealing with in our daily life. So I'm going to take a small part of that because it's not possible to discuss the entire chemistry because every aspect of our life is a chemistry. Even our emotions are chemistry. So here I'm going to discuss only the medicinal terms which we use in our everyday life. So the first is analgesic, any drug that we take to get relief from the pain. But this particular drug selectively blocks that nervous system which is related to the pain. So it's not going to damage the entire nervous system. So it depresses the central nervous system without affecting the consciousness and gives relief from the pain. So the common medicines that we use as analgesic, that's aspirin and paracetamol. The next is antibiotic. This comes under antimicrobials. So they're going to act against the bacteria. So these are the chemicals which we use to kill or inhibit the growth of the bacteria. So penicillin, everyone knows that's the first ever discovered antibiotic by the Alexander Fleming. Then antiseptic. This is also a substance which we generally use to stop or slow down the growth of the microorganism, but this is generally applied externally. So for example, tincture iodine. So there are two types of antimicrobials. One is antibiotic and one is antiseptic. The next one is disinfectant, but this is again the antimicrobial which is used against the microorganism, but it has to be used on the inert surfaces or non-living tissues. For example, phenol that we use for the floor cleaning. Then we have antihistamine. Histamine is the hormone which is secreted in your stomach cell walls, and if it is something related to that, some allergic reactions related to that, we use the drug that is antihistamine. So cetirizine is the one of the common drug which is used as the antihistamine. Then we have antacids. So if it is related to the histamine, we use the antihistamine. But if I'm talking about to neutralize the acidity in your stomach, that we use the antacids. So this is something a temporary relief from the you can say the acidity. For that, since it is antacid, it's anti-acid, so we use the bases for that. For example, magnesium hydroxide. That's it. So these are the different drugs, common terms we use that I have discussed. So let's go for the Quizlet. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is your code.
01 76.
101276. Quiz will be very simple. The common medicinal drugs, you have to just categorize them into
Just
the
1
type.
minute. I have to join again.
Okay.
Some problem. Yes. 101
101276.
276. Correct.
Okay, so can we start?
Yes.
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you.
When deer, you have to start. Stingrays ahead. Sea turtle, dolphins, all are equal. So sea turtle and stingrays. Last.
Yay.
Congrats, Shreya.
Good.
I guess we were together, no? Just last one, I guess
Yes,
I did
just
quickly.
last thing.
Timing.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yes. Nice.
Okay. We have
Okay,
stopped
Aarti ma'am.
Aarti ma'am, can